Good morning! Guys, I just got to Paris with Glow Recipe. I'm so excited for this trip. I just got to my room. We're in a bit of a rush because I need to be ready in an hour, but I want to show you my room first so I can start this vlog properly. This is so stunning. Okay, basically, when you come in, I've got these like stairs, which is really random. So I've got this like whole little section to myself. Little coffee bar situation, and then this is my room. On the bed, we've got these really cute pajamas. Like this could actually, I would actually wear this outside. This is so cute. Some sunglasses from Guess. How nice. Little Glow Recipe bag and our itinerary. Got this little cute window with lots of sunlight and greenery. And like, I love the decor in this place. It's so nice. And then here is the bathroom, and we've got lots of Glow Recipe products, of course. So we're here to celebrate the new dewy flushes. These are so nice. I've actually done like a TikTok on these before. They're incredible. But Glow Recipe is definitely one of my favorite skincare brands like ever, if not my favorite. So I'm so excited to be on this trip with them. But I literally need to get ready right now because we need to be in the lobby in 50 minutes. Is that gonna happen? I'm not very hopeful, but we'll see. And I'm finally ready. Just heading out the door now. We're making our way to the boat. We're going on a little boat ride along the Seine. Very exciting. And the co-owner of Glow Recipe, Sarah, is going to be there, which is very exciting. I'm just being really careful walking down these stairs because I feel like my heel's going to get stuck. Guys, look at the boat. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Alright, cheers!
Cheers!
Wow, guys.
Oh my goodness. Cocktail.
Can I get a very fresh, please?
Thank you. So we're at the rooftop event in Paris. We've got our drinks. Cheers. Cheers. Oh yeah, that's so good.
I like that.
For those of you that are not familiar with the brand, I'm the co-founder and co-CEO of Glow Recipe.
Oh my god, this is so pretty. Look at the Eiffel Tower. She's a bit tiny, but she's there. So we just got to the restaurant, Lulu's. This is stunning. I'm actually obsessed. Stunning!
Yeah.
Also comfy. I basically don't know what to get, and the vodka pasta always catches my eye, but I make that at home like once a week. So I'm like, why would I get the vodka pasta? Because I feel like the one I make is the best one. But I do love a vodka pasta. I don't know what to get because I kind of want to get the truffle. I basically don't know. I'm definitely getting some sort of pasta. Thank you.
Alright guys, should we do a cheers?
Cheers!
So nice having you here.
That looks yummy. I did end up getting the vodka pasta. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry.
Thank you very much for coming.
I know.
It's day 2 in Paris. I've had a very chill morning. I woke up, had some breakfast in my room, took a shower, got ready. I'm just gonna see if any of the other girls are doing anything, but I'm just gonna kind of go now and do my own thing. So there's no agenda for today. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna start with getting a coffee, and I actually love days like this, just like having the day to myself, wandering around, not having any plans. I'm gonna bring my book with me. It's a lovely day in Paris. It's sunny. I'm wearing this like little baby yellow dress, and I didn't really bring many comfortable shoes. I brought these pink ones. They don't really match the dress that well, but they're comfy, and that's the main thing because I'm gonna be walking around a lot today. But yeah, let's go. I need to check out. I've just been sitting in the park having the loveliest time with my coffee. Darcy, one of the girls on the trip, just messaged me. So we're gonna meet up around Gallery Lafayette. So I'm just making my way over there right now because it's kind of in the middle of where both of us are. I honestly have no idea what the plan is, but I'm just having so much fun just wandering around Paris. Just everything here is so beautiful. But I know I do want to get lunch at some point because I'm a little bit hungry. I had a little bit of breakfast, but it wasn't a lot. We just bought some Sonny Angels. I'm gonna do an unboxing.
When should we do first? Thank you.
Yeah, let's do the candy first. This is the candy one. Which one do you want?
I want the jelly bean or the popcorn juice because it'd be funny.
Yeah, I want the strawberry shortcake, or any of them to be honest. They're all cute.
Okay.
You have to like pop it.
Yeah.
Oh no, that's such a bad thought.
Okay, I'm not gonna let
Do we open at the same time or do you want to do yours first?
Should we do the same time?
Okay.
Okay. I don't wanna...
Wait, oh my god, mine's big. Oh my god! It's so cute!
I feel like this one isn't the best, but it's still really cute.
It is so cute. They're all cute though. Pudding. I have the rigatoni. This one, the first one.
Can I get the burrata?
Okay, we're doing the rain ones now. Rainy day.
I feel like we both really want the pink one.
I hope we both get the pink one.
Yeah.
I'm manifesting it.
Okay.
Or the frog.
I've never seen these. Anyway.
No, me neither. I think they're new. I've never seen a Sonny Angel with clothes on. Okay.
That was better.
That was kind of good.
It's like a little hippo.
Oh my god, it's really cute. I like them both actually.
These are really cute.
Oh, I still wish we got the pink one, but
Yeah, the pink would have been
it is cute.
No, it's not.
It's a sunflower! Oh my god! It's so cute. It's like a little hat.
This is like my favorite one I've ever had.
Oh my god, that's so cute. I love it.
Look at them.
They're so
This is our dinner.
They're all
date.
friends. Yummy. There's about like a billion clips of the Eiffel Tower in this vlog.